Video, I'm going to teach you automate key business tasks with Zapier, no code required. We'll build a simple, reliable automation that saves you time by moving data where it needs to go, right when it arrives. Start by heading to Zapier.com and logging into your account. From your dashboard, click Create, then choose Zap under Start from scratch. A Zap is just an automation with two parts: a trigger that starts the workflow, and one or more actions that run afterward. First, pick your trigger app. Common choices are Google Forms, Typeform, or Airtable. This is the source of new information coming into your business. Next, select the trigger event, such as new form response or new record. Zapier will prompt you to connect the app account. Then you'll choose the specific form or table you want to monitor. When you're ready, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in sample data so you can make sure it's detecting the right fields. If you don't see anything, verify you've got at least one recent response or record in that app. Then try the test again. Now add what should happen next. Click Add Action and choose your action app, like Google Sheets, Slack, or Gmail. Select the action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row or Send Channel Message, and connect that account as well. You'll then map your trigger data to the action fields. This tells Zapier exactly where each piece of information should go. For example, map a form's name, email, and message to the corresponding spreadsheet columns, or insert those fields into the text of a Slack message or email. Take a moment to double-check these mappings. Clear labels make troubleshooting easier later. Click Test Step to make sure the action runs the way you expect. Zapier will create a sample row, send a sample message, or deliver a test email based on your setup. If everything looks good, you can optionally add more actions to build a multi-step workflow, like logging data, notifying a team, and sending a confirmation, all from a single trigger. When you're satisfied, click Publish to turn the Zap on. From now on, each new submission or record will run automatically. To keep an eye on activity, open Zap History. This is where you can review successful runs, see details of each task, and quickly spot and resolve any errors. Now your business workflow is automated. New leads, files, and notifications happen automatically, giving you more time to focus on growth. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.